Good. Hello.
There's Derek with Daddy. Daddy just got home from work.
Yep.
And Golfy.
Hi, guy.
Derek does not like to take naps.
Did on you?
Pooping or farting.
Oh, I thought it was too. Oh my God. He's waiting every day when he comes.
He may have. I don't know. I felt like some vibration. Hi. What do you think, guys? Hi, Sunshine.
Sunshine wants to see her brother. Yeah. Derek's tired because he doesn't like to take his naps. Right, Derek? Do you like to take naps? Say no, dude. I don't like to take... Oh, there's Sunshine giving kisses. She wants to get in on the action. You can't kiss your brother yet, Sunshine. But you do want in on the action. There's
All right.
Daddy.
Stop the video.